Hey everyone, hope you are doing well. If you are looking for a modern and latest gadget, then keep your worries aside because you are in the right place. Here we present the best and the latest gadget of this year. Today I am going to make a video on best 5 spin mop bucket set of 2023. If you really like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the product links are given. Product 1. Product name: 360 rotation mop with bucket. Easy Magic Floor Mop 360 degrees bucket with 2 heads and microfiber rotating spinning head is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to simplify and enhance your floor cleaning experience. This innovative mop and bucket system is equipped with several features that make it a convenient choice for keeping your floors spotless. The standout feature of the Easy Magic Floor Mop is its 360-degree rotating spinning head. This design allows you to effortlessly maneuver the mop in any direction, making it easy to reach tight corners and tricky spots, effectively covering a larger cleaning area with minimal effort. The spinning head also helps in wringing out excess water, ensuring that you can adjust the level of moisture on your floors to suit different surface types, such as hardwood, tile, or laminate. The mop comes with 2 microfiber mop heads, which are known for their excellent cleaning capabilities. Microfiber is highly effective at capturing dust, dirt, and debris, and it can even handle spills and stains with ease. These washable and reusable mop heads are a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice for your cleaning needs. The included bucket is designed to complement the mop with a durable construction that can withstand regular use. It features a built-in wringer mechanism that allows you to easily remove excess water from the mop head without the need for excessive bending or manual wringing. This feature not only saves you time, but also prevents you from getting your hands wet during the cleaning process. Product 2. Product name: Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop. Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set is a revolutionary cleaning system designed to make home floor cleaning a breeze, especially for hardwood surfaces. This innovative cleaning solution is equipped with several features that make it a must-have for anyone looking to maintain a clean and polished floor effortlessly. Features of the Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set: Hands-free cleaning. One of the standout features of this mop and bucket set is the hands-free wringing mechanism. Traditional mop and bucket systems require you to manually wring out the mop, which can be strenuous and messy. With this set, you can easily wring out excess water from the mop head by simply placing it in the specially designed bucket and pressing down on the foot pedal. This not only saves time and effort, but also keeps your hands clean and dry. Microfiber cleaning pads. The mop comes with washable microfiber pads that are highly effective at trapping dust, dirt, and debris. These pads are gentle on hardwood floors, easily removed, machine washed, and reused, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice. Professional cleaning results. The Hand-Free Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set is designed to deliver professional quality cleaning results. The microfiber pads are capable of picking up even the tiniest particles, leaving your floors spotless and streak-free. Whether you have hardwood, laminate, tile, or other hard flooring surfaces, this set is versatile enough to handle them all. Compact and easy to store. The mop and bucket set is designed with space saving in mind. The bucket is compact and can be conveniently stored in a closet or under the sink when not in use. The mop handle can also be disassembled for compact storage, making it ideal for those with limited storage space. Durability and longevity. The materials used in this set are built to last, ensuring you get a durable cleaning. Product 3. Product name: Mop Bucket Set. The mop bucket set with removable spin chamber and durable wringer is an essential cleaning tool designed to simplify and enhance the process of mopping floors. This set typically includes a mop bucket, a mop handle, a mop head, and a wringer mechanism. The standout feature of this particular mop bucket set is its removable spin chamber and durable wringer, which significantly improve its functionality. The removable spin chamber is a key innovation in this mop bucket set. It allows users to effortlessly rinse and wring out the mop head without the need to bend down or use their hands. This feature is especially beneficial for those with mobility issues or back problems, making the mopping process more accessible and less physically taxing. The durable wringer mechanism ensures that the mop head is effectively squeezed out, removing excess water and dirt, which leads to more efficient cleaning and faster drying times. This feature is crucial for maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene of various floor surfaces, from home and commercial use. It simplifies the mopping process, reduces physical strain on the user, and ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning outcome. This set is a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal, helping users maintain. Product 4 product Mop Magic Floor Squeeze. The Mop Magic Floor Squeeze is an innovative cleaning tool designed to make floor cleaning tasks in homes and households more efficient and convenient. This cleaning system consists of several key components, including a squeeze mop, a flat bucket, and a rotating mop mechanism. The squeeze mop is a critical component of the system and is designed to effectively clean floors without requiring excessive manual effort. It usually features a microfiber or similar absorbent material that can efficiently trap and remove dirt, dust, and spills from various types of flooring surfaces. The mop handle is typically ergonomically designed to provide a comfortable grip for users during the cleaning process. The flat bucket is specifically designed to work in tandem with the squeeze mop. It usually features a compartment where water and cleaning solution can be added. Some models of the Mop Magic Floor Squeeze may also include a ringing mechanism integrated into the bucket. This ringing mechanism allows users to easily. Features of the Mop Magic Floor Squeeze is its rotating mop mechanism. This mechanism is designed to make cleaning even more efficient. It typically allows users to rotate the mop head 360 degrees, making it easier to reach tight corners, under furniture, and other challenging spots. This mobility helps users thoroughly clean their floors without the need to frequently bend down or reposition the mop head. Overall, the Mop Magic Floor Squeeze is a valuable addition to the arsenal of home cleaning tools. Its design focuses on ease of use, efficiency, and effective floor cleaning. Whether you're cleaning your house or managing larger cleaning tasks.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.